Welcome to CryptoChangex.com. Today we're going to give you 3 ways that you can invest in and profit from cryptocurrency. First of all, you can buy individual coins. Before we get into the specifics of investing in crypto, it's critical to keep some vital information in mind. While crypto is and has been a very profitable investment to those who understand the markets, cryptocurrencies are still a high-risk, volatile investment. As such, caution should be used, and you should never invest more into a single trade than you can afford to lose. You should always avail yourself of a good trading coach or guide that can help you tailor your trading risk plan to your unique financial position and goals. Sometimes new crypto investors are tricked into thinking that their investment is insured by an FDIC-like organization. This happens when an exchange advertises that your deposits with them are insured. While that may be true of the fiat currency used to make your deposit, once you use that deposit to purchase your favorite coin, you will find that no cryptocurrency is covered by any insurance. While reputable exchanges such as Coinbase or Binance have cutting-edge security, the best way to secure your crypto investments is by storing all of your long-hold crypto coins in a wallet outside of the exchange, such as a USB interface hardware wallet that is not connected to the internet. A common misconception among some is that crypto coins are not a taxable asset. Unfortunately, most developed countries will tax your crypto gains. Before investing, you must consult a tax professional in order to understand your local tax responsibilities. A quality crypto altcoin exchange, such as Coinbase or Binance, will usually provide a year-end statement in a format that conforms to your country's tax requirements. With the groundwork laid, let's move on to the step-by-step of how to invest in cryptocurrency. The first step is to choose an exchange where you can purchase coins or tokens. Our top recommendation is Coinbase because it's easy to use and offers the ability to buy cryptocurrency using a credit or a debit card. It maintains cutting-edge security and has outstanding customer service. At CryptoChangex.com, we have a comprehensive list of reviews of several exchanges. We'll leave the link in the description. And while you're there, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you can stay up to date on crypto news and tactics. Never invest a large percentage of your portfolio into one asset. A good rule of thumb is between 1% and 9% of your total investable assets. Never exceed 10% of your portfolio in one asset. A good exchange such as Coinbase will make current news and actionable research available to each user. It is critical when investing in a new coin or token to fully vet and understand the personality of that coin. Once you've selected which coin you want to invest in and how much of your total investment they each will make up, it's time to put them into a wallet. To protect your currencies from hackers and scams, again, we recommend keeping wallets on an external hard drive that is not connected to the internet. While crypto investing is a relatively new investment vehicle, the sage advice that you've heard over and over again is applicable. Dollar cost averaging is buying a fixed amount on a regular schedule. This approach has been used for decades for all investment vehicles and is equally applicable to crypto investing. The second way to profit with crypto is through mining. In a central banking system, banks profit from your transactions. However, in the decentralized system of crypto blockchains, the average person can provide the service of processing transactions and make a profit from it. In the crypto world, we call this mining. When mining, you simply dedicate your computer processing power to verifying transactions on the blockchain. And for your processing power, you are in turn paid a small transaction fee, usually in the coin which you have processed. If you put the effort into understanding mining, it can be a rewarding and exciting way to earn passive income. The third way to invest in cryptocurrency is through NFTs. There are hundreds of NFT marketplaces to choose from, and the list is growing almost daily. The most popular ones include OpenSea and Mintable, and other common marketplaces such as Robinhood are promising to adapt to crypto wallets in the very near future. Most of these marketplaces are built on the Ethereum blockchain, so you'll need a digital wallet that's compatible with that blockchain. Now that we've talked about the different ways to invest, let's take a quick look at the advantages and disadvantages of investing in cryptocurrency. Holding on to cryptocurrencies for the long term is a great way to build wealth. Even if you're on a small budget, you can get into the cryptocurrency market. You can set up a system to automatically buy a few coins or tokens at a set time interval. For example, if you want to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin every week, you could set up an automatic transaction between your bank and your exchange, such as Coinbase. Then it will be just like any other investment. On the other hand, it's easy to make mistakes and lose money if you don't educate yourself properly. It requires knowledge and experience to get rich with crypto. There is a learning curve. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Like most investments, cryptocurrency trading has both risks and benefits. Some people who are not finance experts can make a lot of money with the right investment plan, but other people who don't have any trading experience or coaching can easily lose a lot of money. Investing in cryptocurrency can be an exciting and profitable endeavor if you are equipped with the right knowledge and tools. If you don't already own crypto, now might be the perfect time to start. Be sure to do your research so you can enjoy all of the cryptocurrency's potential benefits while minimizing its risks. At CryptoChangex.com, you'll find a vast resource of information, tactics, and helpful pointers to help you along your crypto journey.